Hi, I'm Brian with Ace Hardware Home Services. Today we are performing a home assessment in Pennsylvania, which is an evaluation of the homeowner's current electric, heating, air conditioning, and plumbing systems. Come on, let's take a look. We're up in the attic, looking at the home's air conditioning system. In this particular case, the equipment is over 30 years old, and the contractor used way too much long, flexible ductwork and not enough supply trunk. I'm going to recommend that the homeowner have a comfort advisor come out to give them an idea of what it would cost to replace the equipment and modify all the existing ductwork. This will help for better airflow, better comfort, and help reduce the home's heating and air conditioning bills. As part of the assessment, we are looking at the electric system. We look to make sure that the exterior service cable is in good condition, that it is bracketed to the home, that there is a weather guard present. We make sure that everything is fastened and that they have proper grounding for their electrical system. We will assess the condition of the existing electric panel. We are also going to look at the existing wiring and assess whether or not the home would benefit from a surge protector. Safety is first and foremost. As part of the assessment, we are looking at a customer's heating system. In this particular case, we have an oil boiler. The oil boiler is chimney vented and it has 3 zones. So there are 3 thermostats in the house to control temperature. We recommend annual maintenance on oil boilers. It is important to look for rust on your boiler and try to notice if there are any wet spots around the boiler. This one looks to be in great condition. That concludes our Ace Hardware Home Services home assessment. Thank you for coming out to take a look today. We will leave the homeowner with our recommendations, and they'll be able to move forward in whatever direction they want.